Welcome to the next episode of Slime Rancher 2, and this is episode 2, and today we're just going to be exploring and trying to get even more resources. But instead of going to Rainbow Fields, what is it called again? I think it's called Ember Valley and all those places, we're going to go to Powderfall Bluffs. So, without hesitation, let's start the video. And here we are, where we left off. Hello there. So, what we're gonna be doing today is basically just exploring Powderfall Bluffs, trying to get Sunsap, perfect snowflakes, and such things like that. Things that will help us. And before we do that, of course, we gotta go to sleep. So it's morning. So yeah, catch you in the morning. Here it is, and now it is morning. Now, before I go, I kind of want to feed my Tangle Slimes. Oh, wait, no, they're already feeded. Before I go, I kind of want to do something. I kind of want to sell some plorts. I want to make sure I have some money because I'm running out and I need some more. And there we go. Oh, and it's raining, so yeah, we gotta be careful. Let's make our way to Powderfall Bluffs. But in order to get to Powderfall Bluffs, we need to make our way to Ember Valley and go through that place. So yeah. We're gonna have to go there first before we get to Powderfall Bluffs. Ah! A gold slime! No! A gold slime! A gold slime! No! Oh my gosh! No! Oh my gosh! Oh no! It was like last video, except I didn't catch it. Oh man, that has to suck. That has to suck. That has to suck. And here we are, and I already have the area unlocked because I played the update on release. So let's jump down and explore to get some Sunsap. Here we are. First we're gonna try to get some perfect snowflakes, because why not? Oh, why not? Oh, the rainbow path isn't showing up. I can barely see it, but it's not showing. Okay, we'll go over there where the Sunsap is. Oh, I see some perfect snowflakes. Let's go. I don't see any Sunsap though. Unfortunately. Maybe let's make our way over here. Maybe. Nope. Oh, we have some perfect snowflake. I don't see anything else. Hi there. What you doing? Oh, you just ascended. Here, I have a little gift for you. I have a little gift for you. So far, I don't see any. Yeah, this is cut off. I went, yeah, I went, where is it? Here it is. I went over there before. There's like a pad and you can unlock some cool stuff. But I already went there. So I know what's over there. Got some perfect snowflakes. Oh! I haven't opened this. What is it? Aurora Pine. While not truly an aurora, this eternal pine tree evokes the wonder of the night sky, even during the day. Visit the fabricator to build this gadget. Okay, I'll have to build that for my, greenhouse. I'm going up here now. Oh, I've already been here. Maybe over here? Here. I don't really see. Oh, we have some fossils. Okay. Oh gosh, that was close. How do we get up to that road? Yeah, there's some right here. We have some more. Oh my gosh! Strange diamond? Oh my gosh, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Why won't... Oh, that was close. Wow. We got some strange diamond. Let's go. We also have some fossils. We got a lot of resources. We even have some snowballs. Boop, 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 boop. How are we gonna do about it? Hey! I saw some over here. How do we get over there? Oh no. Oh gosh. I need to get over there. Okay. Maybe, like there's an entrance. I feel like it. Oh yes. There's something. That is something. I saw. There's something behind us. Oh. Oh, we're finding so many new things, guys. What's in here? A hydro shower. This oversized sprinkler system is perfect panic button for dealing with large numbers of tar. Oh, okay. Is there a way to... We're up here now. I didn't want to come up here. I wanted to get to the slime fossils. Oh, here we go. That's how we get up here. Yeah, let's grab these. And I think there's some more and then we'll be fine. I'll keep looking, but if I can't find anything, then... Ooh, I heard the jingle. Where? What? It went through? Okay, never mind. What's over here? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I don't really know. We'll come on this side to see what's over here, but other than that, like, there's nothing else here that I need. And usually I get lost in these caves because they're so big. But eventually I find my way out. This is a really good harvest spree. We even got strange diamond. That's so rare and it's so hard to find. Okay. I don't want to die, so our #1 goal right now is to get out of this place. Here we go. Oh wait. This is the entrance. So, oh yeah, here it is. Okay. Is there anything else that we missed? Like any resources? I don't think so. Ooh, I haven't gone back here. What's back here? I feel like there's something over there. There's nothing. Okay. Let's go home. Here we are. Okay, let's go. Sadly, we didn't find Sunsap, but I don't care because this was a very successful harvest. Here we are, and we're going straight to the lab. We are here with some valuable resources. Here, let me put my resources in here. And I want to look at a couple things of what I can do with these very cool resources I got. So, if we go to Warp Tech, actually no, decorations. There's a decoration I really want, and it's this, golden flutter statue. And I can barely make it, but what we need is 2 more gold ports and some more flutter ports. Now, I wish I had gotten that gold slime because gold slimes really like to pop up in my YouTube videos. I don't know why, but they really like to annoy me. I promise that there'll be one in episode 3, because they always like to pop up, and oh my gosh, there's a lot of puddle ports. Oh my gosh. I haven't come here in so long. It's nice that you don't have to feed them. I'm gonna deposit these in the lab because I don't really like to make profit off of puddle ports. I usually just use them for tech stuff. So, and we're gonna come up here. Should probably feed some of my slimes. I can see that my dirt slimes are not very happy. There you go. I can also see that my, what are they called? I think honey ringtail slimes aren't very happy. So I'll feed them too. How you get in here? You're from last video. I do not support you. And I don't care. Oh wait, I forgot I had a teleporter here. I should really use this. Anyways, that's it for episode 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a very successful video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So, anyways, see you in the next one. Bye. Question for you, Bob. How have you not melted yet? It's so hot out here. Like, how has it not melted? That's my question. There's so much snow here. Like, how? Yes, I agree with you. Logic.